Want to know what Steve Jobs did to be so persuasive? You probably think you've got it figured out, but let me tell you something, it's not what you're thinking. Let's do this, shall we? If you're like most people interested in persuasion, influence, and leadership, you've studied all the techniques used by the world's most influential people. Now, before I tell you what Jobs' secret was, let's explore the technique that you're probably using right now. Most people try to persuade others by following a logical path. A plus B plus C equals D. Their thinking is that as logical human beings, we can convince other people to agree with us based on a sound, cohesive argument. But if you've ever tried to convince your uncle that climate change is real based on logic, well, you know that sometimes logic doesn't work. What made Steve Jobs so effective wasn't his logic, and it wasn't even his products. Instead, it was his ability to sell you on his enthusiasm for his products. If you watch any of Jobs' speeches, and I'd encourage you to watch his 2007 speech introducing the iPhone, you'll notice that his technique revolves around his pent-up enthusiasm for his product. It's sort of this slow build as he inches you towards his introduction of this amazing transformational device. So next time you're doing a presentation or a speech or even selling a client something, don't sell them on the logic of your argument. Although logic is important, what you want to sell them on is your passion, enthusiasm, and love for what it is you have to offer them. My name is Jamie Turner. This has been In 60, and I'll catch you next time.